Hello everyone, welcome back to Sports Dhara after a couple of days. This is Sachin. Now I am available to give you all the sports update. As you know, after the coronavirus pandemic situation, every cricketing nation wants to host the cricket matches. Now Australia is hosting the cricket matches. We all really excited. The people of our nation really excited. The upcoming series India versus Australia from 27th of this month. It's going to be a cracking game, and before 2 days the former Australian wicketkeeper batsman Ian Healy has released a statement that we should do all the matches of the series in Sydney. That really helps to cricket Australia. But after listening the statement, the New South Wales sports minister has answered the question that we are ready to do all the matches of the series, but the Cricket Australia decide the matches will happen 2 or 3 grounds. After the white ball cricket, after the T20s and ODI matches, that will really questionable, is it right or wrong? But also the sports minister has said, if he look at the Indian current batsman, current batting performance, and also the bowling performance, he also said that my wholeheartedly say it can be Australia's win, but looking for the Indian young batsmen and young bowlers, that mind says can India win? So it is the really chance to India to get a chance to win in Australia. But these are the statements from Ian Healy from Australia. But there is another problem. The Ravi Shastri has released a statement that if Rohit Sharma will wants to play first test match, so he should leave before 26th of November, because here in Australia 14 days quarantine period mandatory. After the quarantine period, so he can play 3 days. 3 days is a test match, so that really helps to him the first play the first test match. But otherwise it can't possible, because Rohit in NCA right now, he is giving his fitness test, and we also looking forward to NCA's statement. What Rahul Dravid will say today, maybe tomorrow he will release a statement, because we have no time to extend the practicing situation like in NCA. Because also we all are really excited to play Rohit Sharma in white ball cricket, but is not possible. It can possible if he late from 26, so he will play the first test match, because after the first test match Virat Kohli returned to home due to his personal reason. After returning the Virat Kohli, so it can be a better chance for Australia, so he can win back the series. But we also know that how dangerous Rohit Sharma, if he plays like 4 test matches, so India will retain the trophy, because we dominated last 2 years back. So these are the news from Australia, these are the news from India. We also looking for the Rahul Dravid statement, what he will release the statement. It's gonna be today or tomorrow. That really helps to Australia. And another experienced bowler, Ishant Sharma, he is struggling for his fitness. Now he is on NCA. The two experienced person is missing the Indian cricket team, and also Ravi Shastri said that we are missed great and experience, because there is this communication gap like Indian cricket team management or also the NCA management. So the things like sort out be tomorrow. It really helps to Indian cricket, because we want to play Rohit Sharma in test matches. There's the news from Australia, there's the news from India. So you stay tuned to the Sports Dhara, and don't forget to subscribe Sports Dhara. So I'll be back another sports updates. So till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.